Hey, woman to woman, if you're past 45 and above, right, I'm already 48, right? So just want to share with you what have I changed for my makeup. I remember 2 years ago, I did my sub-brow lift, right, and my eye makeup changed. And I also use very prominent contact lens, but right now I prefer subtle contact lens like this. But I realized that subtle contact lens like this, right, as my skin tone changed, because right now I'm not under the sun too often, right, and I take gluten iron supplements, so my skin has become much more a bit pinkish beige, more neutral beige, yellow beige. So if you are going through the same thing as me, you're more pinkish neutral beige right now, you find that your foundation is not brighter than before, right? It's because your skin has changed. Because as we reach perimenopause, right, there's a lot of hormone changes. Let me tell you more. Okay, so why your foundation looks off right after 45? So hormonal decline, estrogen, skin becomes thinner, drier, and slightly less pink or golden, so your undertone fades, right? And then collagen loss, right, also cause light refraction to scatter unevenly, so skin looks dull even if the color is the same. Alright, and also your pigmentation shift, melanin distribution changes, we may develop uneven tone, sunspots, or a subtle yellow-gray cast. So foundations that once glow now makes us look tired or sallow. And on top of that, right, our sebum balance change. Less natural oil means makeup doesn't melt in as before. No wonder. Foundation can sit on top or oxidize faster, turn slightly orange or dark. I'm not paid to do this, to say this, but ultimately I feel that use Korean foundation is better for us Asians, right? So that it will not oxidize. Because Korean foundation has this light reflective pigments inside. And lots of natural rosiness. So the soft blush tone that used to come from inner circulation reduces. That's why the face can look very flat even with full coverage. So that's why you need a tone up cream. I just want to tell you this. I'm using Hex Skin, but I'm also having my own brand also have it. So this tone up cream, right? That's why I say tone up cream is a must right now after you pass 45 years old. It neutralizes dull undertone, especially gray, yellow tone. On top of that, it helps to reflect light softly for the inner glow effect. Creates a hydrated base so your foundation blends like before. It's also perfect for days you skip foundation. Gives natural radiance without heavy coverage. So if you're 45 and above, like me, I'm 48, your foundation stops working not because your skin got worse, but because your undertone changed, right? Here's why I never skip tone up cream after that. It's like turning the light back on for your skin. So you can get this if you want to on this TikTok shop here or on the comment side, or if you're interested you can get the other one, which is my brand. One more thing is I just want to share with you is, like, if you are wearing contact lens, if you're wearing the prominent one, you can do very light eye makeup. But if you're using this kind of contact lens, very light color, there's no pigment, like circle the pupil kind, not so obvious pupil, right? Then you need to have a prominent eye makeup. Just want to share with you guys what have I learned after I turned 45. Nobody tells me all these things, but I thought I'd share with you guys. After perimenopause, 什么都是，唉。Follow me for more real tips on looking radiant at any age. If you're ready for a total glow up, explore my soul aesthetic transformation, DM me for more information, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye!